Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Do you hate the way that your ceilings look? I absolutely detested the ones that we have in our RV until I put up these amazing silver birch styrofoam panels from Antique Ceilings. Things that I like about these the most are number one, that they are so lightweight. I was able to install them by myself in our 34-foot RV just with the aid of a simple step stool. Secondly, these look so good. Yes, they're made out of styrofoam, but I get compliments on them all the time from people who think that they're actual wood. Thirdly, these are moisture and humid resistant, which is absolutely essential in an RV. So some tips for installation. I would absolutely recommend using the Soudal 50A. That's the adhesive that you can get from Antique Ceilings. Now, I was able to use 8 tubes to cover most of our ceiling. For the last part of it, I had to use just a general construction adhesive, and it did not work as well. In order to cut the styrofoam and get a nice clean cut, it's important to use a very sharp blade. So I used either a razor blade or a utility knife, and both of those worked well as long as they were sharp. Because these are styrofoam, of course, they're going to be a little bit unforgiving if you bump them, scratch them, or drill into them. So what I would recommend is having an extra box on hand for when you need to change out a fixture or you might damage one unintentionally. You can easily just switch it out. Do yourself a favor and get ceiling tiles from Antique Ceilings. You are not going to be disappointed with them, and that's my point of view.